Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano and picking up where we left off in the previous Cardano video. Now, at this moment, what we're seeing is Cardano's price is consolidating quite a bit. Now, currently, it's priced at around 31 cents at this moment. Now, if we look at Cardano, how things have played out here from the whole FTX fallout, we were seeing the price of ADA that was around the price of 44 cents back in the beginning of November, just before the price really ended up crashing down. And that was just after we had seen the price already recover from its 52-week low that it had previously before the FTX fallout. So when we look at things here in the third week of October, we had the price of ADA at the price of around 33 cents at that time, and then it had managed to actually work up a decent amount over a short period of time to that 44-cent price, and then it came crashing down again. We're not seeing that very similar recovery now with ADA as we did then. A lot of this sideways trading going on right now, but we did manage to actually reach our mark that we were hoping for, but we ended up seeing some pullback that had happened just after we managed to actually reach that price zone that we wanted to enter, which was a price of around 32 cents. We saw that a couple days ago, but we still have a little bit of pullback that is coming in right now. Now, when we line things up here within our moving averages, we still have ADA under that 20-day moving average, which is very key that we do pump through that. We've been under the 20-day moving average since November 8th, so since the FTX fallout had really taken place. And we haven't really managed to actually recover much within the Fibonacci levels. When we look at the wave 5 from the FTX fallout, the wave 5 had taken us to that new 52-week low, which was a price that was just under 30 cents, about 29.5 cents actually. And that was around where we were expecting to kind of go within that range of where things could be coming down to. So we managed to reach our marks, and now with what we got going on here, the only certainty that we're going to have that we might be recovering is if we can manage to pump through that 20-day moving average. So we don't have any sort of certainty that things are really recovering here yet, because we still could come down when we're laid down as a possibility, and that could even take us down closer to within the range of 25 to 26 cents as a possibility, which of course we don't want to see, but we have to be realistic and think about that possibility of that actually happening, since we're still in a very much bearish situation with Cardano right now. Now, since Cardano's price has come down so low, though, this has, of course, taken the other different moving averages down with it. And so if we were to see a recovery from the FTX fallout, if we were to go to a price that was back around the price of 44 cents, and that would be well above our 100-day moving average, which currently is at the price of 39 cents. So if we can start pumping through these different moving averages and actually get above that 100-day moving average, that would be very big, because the last time that we were above that was very briefly, and that was back through the months of the end of March and beginning of April of 2022. So since then, we've been pretty much under that 100-day moving average the entire time, and this recent price dip could actually manage to work in our favor if we are to recover and actually pump through those different moving averages. And our 200-day moving average is only at a price of 50 cents, which we haven't been on the other side of that 200-day moving average since December of 2021, or November of 2021, actually. So there's been a lot really keeping ADA down, and this could end up working in our favor as we start to retrace these previous amounts. And if we can get to a price of 50 cents, which we've managed to do that within this whole bear market, we've managed to reach that price back in June and back in August. So there's a good chance that we could easily see much larger price movements if we did reach a bottom, if the bottom is in, and that was the completion of the whole bear market with ADA, then there could be some great potential. But as we work our way up, there would be some very key prices to actually go back and maintain. One of those being the price of $1, which you can see how that $1 support was very important for ADA back throughout 2021, how it had managed to actually hold on to that as a support, bounce off of that, go to much higher prices around $2.50, bounced off of that multiple times, and then did it again between the months of say July and on into September of 2021, where we ended up reaching our all-time high with ADA, and then things really started to come down, and then more so came down here in 2022, as of course there's been a lot of fears of a recession and different things that have been affecting the market. But we did get that recent update that we had, the recent hard fork update, the Vassal hard fork, and there's a lot of good potential possibilities with that as time does go on here. But of course, there's just a lot of fear of DeFi right now that is affecting things with Cardano. So that's one thing that we do need to actually get over, is the fear of DeFi, which of course is going to take a little bit of time to see such a thing happen. But it would be nice to see some start to a recovery here within the price of ADA. And there's a lot that we could really be seeing as far as retracements from its all-time high. Plenty of potential to see possible 10x here within the price. But it's just a matter of time until we start to see the market turn around here for Cardano. Now, as far as some other news with Cardano, according to DeFi Llama, the total value locked per ADA is 60 million, a little bit more than 60 million, which is up slightly. But the big thing is when we actually look at the amount of ADA tokens that are currently locked, and we are seeing a little bit of an increase here. So this is also another interesting detail here, that we are seeing the total value locked currently, as far as the actual tokens go, up from where they were at from back in August. So nice to see that there is an increase there, and this could be something that is going to help lead us into something much bigger, which is of course the stable coins that we're going to have on Cardano. One being JED, but spelled DJED. Kind of sounds like Jedi, but that is going to be one of the big factors for Cardano as we go into 2023. So that's why I'm thinking that we could be seeing things rebound here with ADA possibly soon. But of course, it would be a slow rebound. I'm not expecting any sort of fast price growth here within the bearish market, within the crypto market. But it would be nice to see a transition here within the price of ADA and start pumping through those different moving averages and start creating some ground here within the price. But anyways, that's the update for now. So I'm hoping that here soon we're going to be seeing ADA do this retracement and actually pump through these different moving averages that are going to be very important. I'm hoping that we're going to be at least above that 50-day moving average here within the next week, which would be at a price that would be around the price of 35 cents. So that's what I'm hoping for now. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day on this channel, and many other altcoins as well. Talk about Cardano at least once or twice a week. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing, and a like really does go a long way. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all the next one.